All right, it is the most wonderful time of the year, as Perry Como often says in his song. It is the time of year for the Big Rig Group build. That's right, and we're doing the Peterbilt Wrecker. I know Jeff in his rules, and I give air quotes in his rules. He said try and stay away from the AMT kits. I'm like, cool, awesome, no problem. That's all I got. That's all I got. That's all I have on hand is AMT kits, and I love every single one of them, and we plan to build every single one of them. And this time of year is when we're able to attack that plan. This is a very special kit for me because this is actually a gift from another fellow YouTuber, Mr. Big Eddie 1231. Gifted this kit. He said he found it, I think, at a swap meet or something like that, and he got it for a killer deal. I had just made a video talking about how I wish I had one of these because I hadn't. I had missed the boat on finding one of them, for an affordable price and stuff. So he actually sent this to us along with some decals and stuff for a different kit. But this, I was like, my gosh, are you sure? He goes, yeah, build it in good faith. And I'm like, we will. We will do that. So thank you again to Mr. Big Eddie 1231, and we'll have a link to his videos and channel down in the description below there. So thanks again, buddy. We're going to tackle this guy. It is unstarted. Let's take a look inside the actual box itself. A sea of styrene. This is my HPI guy hand. A sea of styrene. Look at that. Decals unopened. Very rare for me. Peterbilt Wrecker. Instruction. That's thick. That's a thick booklet right there. I better buy a new highlighter because we're going to be marking off some stuff there. Tons of chrome. Look at that. This thing is dripping with chrome, as they say. Ooh. Even has a bumper. I like bumpers. Tires. These look tasty. Ferret food. And then, I love, okay, so this is the thing. The thing I love about big rigs is I get to build the frame. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. And if it doesn't come out right, it's my fault. I'm sure future Brian would probably cut in right now and be like, actually, it wasn't his fault at all. But I digress. I'm looking forward to building this guy here. I love building the big rigs. And then this guy, it's not just a big rig. It's got all the wrecker stuff on the back here too. So it's two separate kits in one married together. This is chocolate and peanut butter. Thank you. You're welcome. Yes, so this is the chocolate and peanut butter of the model kit big rig world as far as I'm concerned. So I'm looking forward to getting started on this. We've had a little bit of a delay. We have family from out of town. Our niece from Montana is staying with us off and on while she hangs out with some friends here in town. I didn't expect her to stay with us, so it's been a little bit of a surprise, but it's been a very, very pleasant surprise nonetheless, because it's pretty cool when somebody you don't really have much of a connection with actually says to your face, you guys are actually pretty cool. I had no idea. So that's kind of nice, not to mention the fact that we took her mall shopping for 4 hours yesterday. So, I guess that probably helps the opinion a little bit, but I digress. Anyway, we're going to get started on this. And after hanging out with a teenager at the mall all weekend, I can tell you, this will be a treat. All right, y'all, take it easy, and we'll talk to you a little bit later. Bye now.